Hello Adobe Express users, want to add a new scene to your project for that extra wow factor? Let me show you how to do it easily. First, open Adobe Express and start a new project or open your existing one. On the left toolbar, click on plus icon, choose scene from the available options. A new scene will be added to your timeline or workspace. You can now start customizing this scene by adding new text, images, or effects. Add multiple scenes to create a dynamic, multi-layered design like in a presentation or video project. If the scene option is not appearing, make sure you are using a video project type that supports multiple scenes. What kind of scenes do you add to your projects? Let me know in the comments. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.